Question number 1. What is an example of ordinal data?
Excellent. Very mild, moderated, good, excellent is a brilliant choice.
Question number 2. The ultimate goal of data mining is?
Nice selection. Gaining knowledge of patterns is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 3. Data warehouse is usually used for?
Good thinking. Accommodates years of historical data is the right answer.
Question number 4. Why was data warehousing proposed?
Perfect. To keep summarized historical information is the correct choice.
Question number 5. What does pattern mining focus on?
Exactly. Discovering rules that describe specific patterns makes sense. And it is right choice.
Question number 6. The process in data mining is dash.
Excellent choice. Data sets, data mining methods, knowledge evaluation is the right answer.
Question number 7. The following statements are true.
Great thinking. Data for SVM can be used for Bayesian classification is the right choice.
Question number 8. Dash is the output of CADE process.
Clear logic. Your choice, useful information, is sound and 100% true.
Question number 9. Data mining is also called as dash.
Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer.
Question number 10. Data mining is also referred to as?
Smart move. Knowledge discovery from databases is an accurate answer.
Question number 11. What is Google Analytics used for?
Well done. Tracking website traffic and user behavior is the right choice.
Question number 12. Data about data is referred to as?
Well reasoned. Metadata is the correct choice.
Question number 13. In K-mean algorithm, K stands for?
Well picked. Number of clusters is the correct answer.
Question number 14. Metadata repository contains dash.
Right choice. All of above is the best answer.
Question number 15. What is the concept of big data?
Strong choice. Extremely large data sets that can be analyzed computationally is the right answer.
Question number 16. On what is data warehouse based?
Right again. Multidimensional model is a valid answer.
Question number 17. Select the origin of data mining.
Nicely done. Database systems is a solid answer.
Question number 18. Features of data warehouse dash.
Smart pick. Subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant is the correct choice.
Question number 19. Point out the correct statement.
On track. Raw data is original source of data is the correct answer.
Question number 20. What is meant by data warehouse?
You're right. Central repository of historical information for DIS and EASE is the correct answer.
Question number 21. Data cleaning is a process dash.
Bravo. To remove inconsistent data and noise is the answer.
Question number 22. Process Dalem knowledge discovery.
Sharp thinking. Datasets, data mining methods, knowledge evaluation is the right choice.
Question number 23. What is association rule mining?
You chose finding of strong association rules using frequent item sets. And it is correct.
Question number 24. The data set is called the dash.
Correct. Training set is the right answer.
Question number 25. Which sectors need data mining?
Solid response. All answers are correct is a valid choice.
Question number 26. Example of applying data mining?
Valid point. Bioinformatics is true.
Question number 27. Which of the following is true?
Good job. Your answer both a priori and FP growth uses horizontal data format works well here.
Question number 28. Dash is the output of K dash.
Great job. Useful information is the accurate answer.
Question number 29. Estimation is one part of dash.
You got it. Your choice. The role of data mining is right.
Question number 30. Data is called quality if dash.
Nice work. You chose can be trusted and it is correct.
Question number 31. What are real estate listings?
Solid response. Data that contains information about properties for sale is a valid choice.
Question number 32. Data analysis is a process of.
Great job. All of the above is the accurate answer.
Question number 33. Similar meaning to data mining.
Well reasoned. All the above is the correct choice.
Question number 34. What is a data mining engine?
On track. Algorithms for processing data is the correct answer.
Question number 35. 7 dash is the output of KDED.
Bravo. Useful information is the answer.
Question number 36. The second speaker's topic is.
Smart move. Social media data mining is an accurate answer.
Question number 37. Data warehouse contains data.
Smart pick. History is the correct choice.
Question number 38. What is meant by OLAP mining?
Excellent. Integration of mining and OLAP technologies is a brilliant choice.
Question number 39. Why is data mining important?
Excellent choice. To extract valuable knowledge from data is the right answer.
Question number 40. What is not reducible is dash.
Great thinking. There is no right answer is the right choice.
Question number 41. A data warehouse can include.
Nice work. You chose all and it is correct.
Question number 42. The data warehousing is dash. Esh.
You chose read-only and it is correct.
Question number 43. The first speaker's topic is.
Good thinking. Machine learning for biological data mining is the right answer.
Question number 44. What is meant by information?
You got it? Your choice recap, summary, explanation, and statistics of data is right.
Question number 45. The full form of KDED is dash.
Valid point. Knowledge Discovery Database is true.
Question number 46. Data mining is also known as.
Correct response. Knowledge discovery in databases is the most accurate answer.
Question number 47. Cluster analysis is known as.
Sharp thinking. Taxonomy formation is the right choice.
Question number 48. Which is unstructured data?
Right choice. Video, image, then audio is the best answer.
Question number 49. What is regression analysis?
Perfect. A statistical tool that measures the relationship between variables is the correct choice. Question number 50. What is business analytics? Good job. Your answer, a process of examining data, works well here. Question number 51. Which is not a data pyramid? Nicely done. Dating is a solid answer. Question number 52. What is the extracted data? You're right. Excavated data is the correct answer. Question number 53. What is discretization dash? Nice selection. Dividing the given data in equal width is the correct and valid answer. Question number 54. The extract data pattern is? Right again. Data mining is a valid answer. Question number 55. In data mining, we look for clear logic. Your choice, both hidden trend and patterns, is sound and 100% true. Question number 56. How to resolve noisy data? Strong choice. All are correct is the right answer. Question number 57. What is a Bayesian method? Correct. A statistical approach to making evidence-based decisions is the right answer. Question number 58. What are product reviews? Well done. Data that contains information about customer feedback on products is the right choice. Question number 59. What does DBMs stand for? Well picked. Database Management System is the correct answer. Question number 60. Data types in data mining. Exactly. Numeric, nominal makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 61. Data warehouse is a dash.
Perfect. Collection of data marts is the correct choice. Question number 62. Training data means dash.
Smart pick. Data used to train a model is the correct choice. Question number 63. Synonym for data mining. Excellent. KD is a brilliant choice. Question number 64. Big data technology is? Nice selection. Batch processing than streaming processing is the correct and valid answer. Question number 65. Cade describes the dash. You chose whole process of extraction of knowledge from data, and it is correct. Question number 66. What is noise in data? Both A and B is true. Question number 67. SQL helps define dash. Excellent choice. Data under constraints that are already known is the right answer. Question number 68. Data mining means dash. Great job. Knowledge discovery is the accurate answer. Question number 69. What is backtracking? Good thinking. The process of incrementally building towards a solution is the right answer. Question number 76. Data mining is dash. Nicely done. The actual discovery phase of a knowledge is a solid answer. Question number 71. What is an attribute? You got it. Your choice, a property or characteristic of an object, is right. Question number 72. Data cleaning handles. Strong choice. All of above is the right answer. Question number 73. The output of KDD is? Bravo. Useful information is the answer. Question number 74. What is a data set? Well reasoned. All are correct is the correct choice.
Question number 75. What is heuristics? Smart move. The concept of solving problems using previous experience is an accurate answer.
Question number 76. DML refers to dash.
Right choice. Data manipulation language is the best answer.
Question number 77. Ton. What is noise?
Exactly. Context of CADE and data mining makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 78. What is big data? Solid response. Extremely large data sets that can be analyzed computationally is a valid choice. Question number 79. Dash type of data. Well done. Negatively skewed data is the right choice. Question number 80. Data mining is on track. The actual discovery phase of a knowledge is the correct answer. Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Correct. Contact Narayan Changda is the right answer.